Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my slow English speaking video. It's me, Shushantapal, in front of you. And in this video, I will tell you that it's very easy to learn English. It's very easy to learn English. If you are beginner, if you want to learn English from the zero level, in that case, you can start your English journey by listening skill. You have to listen English a lot. It's called input. And then you can understand and you can speak English very easily. And it's called output. So first of all, you have to input and then output will become very soon. So yeah, so you have to listen English every day. If you are beginner, then you can you can listen English every day, or you can watch English videos every day, and by listening you can improve your listening skill very easily. You can listen English music, or you can watch English videos, you can listen English podcast, you can watch English movies, or if you like cartoon, then try to watch cartoon in English. You can read English every day. You can read English article, or you can read English newspaper, or you can read your academic books. Like you can read English novel or English short story, or you can read on social media like on Facebook. You can read article. Okay, so this is the way how you can improve your English day by day. There is no any shortcut way. You have to learn English by practice, and you have to practice every day if you want to learn English. Then listening skill, reading skill, and another one is writing skill. So you can improve your writing skill very easily. You have to write every day. You can write your daily activities or daily routine. Okay, and you can write anything whatever you like. You can write, you can choose different topics like your favorite hobby, your family, or your school, your college, or anything whatever you like. It can be sport, it can be your favorite sport. Okay, then try to write it down on your notebook or exercise book, 2 or 3 pages. It's enough, two pages if you are beginner then. Okay, then try to write it every day, and this is the way how you can improve your English. So that's it for today. I don't want it more longer. Goodbye, have a good day. Thank you for watching me.